Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Chicken Wings again. Yes, it is chicken wings I'm experimenting with different kinds of beer in the chicken wings to see how it turns out. So here's my sensible amount of chicken this time, not the ridiculous amount I had last time. I've got my sauce and my butter for the sauce. Here we've got my onion powder, my paprika and garlic powder, and salt and sugar for the brine. So that's all I need. No, it's not. Dog's been out shopping for me. What have you got for me, dog? You've got a... yes, a Cooper Stout. Nice roasty, kind of a robust, good stout. Ooh, Pirate Life. Very craft IPA. Full on hoppy. Nice and bitter. Very good, dog. And finally, take that. Okay, let's see how they go. I guess the last one can act as a control sort of thing. So this is... Did you know that 1 tablespoon of sugar is 3 teaspoons? Doesn't that work out nicely for me? Normally I'd have a tablespoon of each of those things. And, well, anyway, here we go. A little bit of stout. 1 for you and 1 for me. Here's the IPA. I'm putting about 150 mils in each of these. 1 for you and the rest is for me. There we go. And the last one, that goes in there. And this one, yeah, whatever. Okay, so stirring. That's salt and sugar and beer. And here come the chicken wings. And look at me. I took your kind advice last time. Whoever you are, nice people. And I'm chopping the tips off the chickens and discarding that and chopping them into segments. So I've got proper chicken wings. So all good this time. No silly biting around and stuff like that. So very good. Okay. And they all go in the fridge for half an hour to brine. And now I'm preheating the oven to 175 and making my sauce. So this is 1/4 of a cup of butter and 1/4 of a cup of my spicy red sauce, which actually, I called these spicy wings last time and they didn't end up being all that spicy. But anyway, 1.5 teaspoons of, I don't know what that was, but this is the garlic and the onion. 1.5 teaspoons of that. And now 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. And I remember you, paprika. You were a pain in the ass last time. I don't know. Let's see if try the old tappy method here. Yeah. This guy, I don't know why this guy doesn't want to come out of its little house, but whatever. It's obviously not too good for its home, right? Happy girl? Yeah, cool. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to rub them in. So here's my things from the fridge, and I'll put them over here. And I'm going to have this is all science. So I'm having a control set. So that's the Budweiser one at the back, stout in the middle, and the IPA at the front. And they're not going to be seasoned like the rest. So I'm rubbing in the spices into these guys, both sides. Put in the sauce over. There we go. Yep, that's all good. And now these will go into the oven, and they go in there for... I put them in for 30 minutes, then I check them, and last time they were in there for 40. I can't remember how long they were in for this time, but anyway, that's all good. We are done. We have our chicken. Okay, so let's see how we go. First things first. There we go. Very good. Okay, now I've got, I'm trying a Budweiser one. This one is kind of the plain one. It's pretty nice. The stout one, yeah, that one's a little bit different in kind of a stouty, hearty kind of way, and the IPA one, that's kind of good too. The IPA one has a difference to it that I think makes it the best. So IPA one, that's the winner. Yep, that one's the best. There really wasn't much difference between them all. I could kind of tell it. But yeah, anyway, I'm done. Thanks for watching the video. You're all a bunch of legends, and I am going to eat the rest of my chicken because I want to be fat. I want to be huge.